Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. This week we get to look at a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda on the beautiful Disney Fantasy cruise ship. We got to enjoy this beautiful stateroom for a week on a Western Caribbean cruise on the Disney Fantasy, and it's a lovely spacious stateroom with a sofa and your own private veranda. So when you're ready to book your next cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks! Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our stateroom on the Disney Fantasy cruise ship for a week-long Western Caribbean cruise. So let's take a look. This is a deluxe veranda stateroom. And you come into the stateroom and it looks beautiful. Very spacious. We have a nice queen-size bed for Jackie and me to enjoy for this week-long voyage on the Disney Fantasy. You have nice night lights right next to the bed that we can control, and storage there next to the bed as well, and plugs. The beds are lofted so you can store your luggage and things underneath the bed. We also have a connecting door so you can have adjoining staterooms if you like. You have nice storage and a little drink station right here, and additional storage, a little dresser right under the drink station. So lots of storage. Nice beautiful artwork on the wall. Picture of the Disney cruise ships. There were 4 original Disney cruise ships. I have a lovely desk over here and a nice flat screen TV. It can move and be turned so you can watch it from different angles. Beautiful desk, and then also have a mini fridge in here so you can store beverages or food of your choice. Keep them cold. More plugs, USB plugs and regular plugs. Additional storage over here. And another dresser over here with a blow dryer. So lots of storage. It also has a nice sofa with a little coffee table, and they gave us this backpack since we're Castaway Club members, and this is our 4th cruise. And these are the lanyards they give you too, with little pouches for your key card. And this sofa folds into a single bed. This is not a deluxe family veranda stateroom. Those sleep 4 people. This one sleeps 3, but very nice little sleeper that just folds right down. More beautiful artwork on the wall. And this part of the stateroom also has a curtain. So you can close the curtain if you want more privacy for the 3rd person in your stateroom or vice versa. And here's our beautiful veranda. We're still in Port Canaveral, but it's a beautiful veranda. There's Jackie. Hello. Hello. 2 lovely deck chairs and a little table. So you can imagine enjoying your beverage of your choice as the world goes by on your voyage on your beautiful private veranda. There's Port Canaveral. We'll be leaving in a couple of hours. So beautiful balcony. And then coming back into the stateroom, head back over towards the door. We have the split bathrooms in this type of stateroom, which is very nice. So you have a nice single vanity with more storage below the sink and storage racks above the sink, and have a full bathtub. A little small, but it is a cruise ship after all, and still full bathtub, and a shower with a shower wand. And they have those little strings, clotheslines, retractable clothesline, so you can dry your bathing suits or whatever if you like. And H2O amenities, which is very nice. And then right next door is the other half of the bathroom, so you can have 2 people getting ready at the same time. There's another single vanity, more storage below, more H2O amenities, another storage rack, and the facilities, of course. So, very nice. And last but not least, you have 2 closets with your life jackets up above and plenty of hanging space and more shelf space. And here's the other closet. They have more hanging space and more shelf space, and they have a safe, which is very nice. So beautiful stateroom. We're thrilled to be here and looking forward to our week-long voyage to the Western Caribbean on the wonderful Disney Fantasy. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.